channel with me, Miss Rini Aprianti. Today we are going to talk about how to give and ask an opinion in formal and informal ways. So, check it out.
Before we come to the formal or informal ways to give or ask for an opinion, let's review about the definition of opinion first. Opinion is including the words of opinion and argument or reasons. Opinion dialogue is a dialogue consists of two people or more who have opinion each others. It can use the expressions such as in my opinion, in my view, I think, and etc. Argument dialogue is a dialogue that states the arguments or reasons. It can use the words such as the first, the second, the third, and etc. for arranging arguments. Jadi, opinion ini merupakan kata-kata yang berisi argumen dan alasannya. Dialog opini merupakan dialog yang terdiri dari dua orang, di mana kedua orang itu sama-sama memiliki pendapat. Opinion juga bisa menggunakan ungkapan seperti in my opinion, in my view, dan I think. Dialog argumen merupakan suatu dialog yang mengungkapkan suatu pendapat dan alasannya. Ya, dialog tersebut bisa menggunakan kata-kata seperti first, second, dan lain sebagainya untuk menyusun suatu arguments ataupun pendapat. You should remember some points. The first, informal expressions are used in a situation where you are talking between friends or close friends. Jadi kalian bisa menggunakan ungkapan informal pada saat kalian berbicara dengan teman kalian ataupun teman dekat. The second, the expressions usually respond to something that you discuss in an informal situation. Jadi kalian juga bisa menggunakan ungkapan informal untuk merespon sesuatu saat berdiskusi di situasi yang informal. Formal expressions are used in a situation where you are talking in a formal situation, such as in the office or school between the teacher and students. Ungkapan formal digunakan pada saat situasi yang formal, bisa saja terjadi di kantor ataupun sekolah, dan pembicaraannya antara guru dan siswa. Think about is used when a person is occupied with something or somebody. For example, I can't stop thinking about her. Jadi, think about bisa digunakan ketika seseorang sibuk dengan sesuatu ataupun orang lain. Contohnya, saya tidak bisa berhenti memikirkannya. Think of is used to imagine something. You can actually replace the word think of with the word imagine. Think of juga biasanya digunakan untuk membayangkan sesuatu. Kamu bisa menggantinya, mengganti kata-kata think of dengan imagine. Next, this is some expressions that you want to show formal asking opinion. The first, have you got any comments on blah blah blah? Do you have any idea? Do you have any opinion on? Would you give me your opinion on? What is your reaction to? What is your opinion about? What are you feeling about? What are your views on? Please give me your frank opinion. Jadi ini beberapa ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menanyakan pendapat secara formal. Next, this is informal when you want to asking opinion. The first, what do you think of? What do you think about? What is your opinion? Why do they behave like that? Do you think it's going? How do you like? How was the trip? How do you think of? And how do you feel about? Nah, jadi di sini kalian bisa menemukan about dengan of. Setelah ini harus diikuti dengan gerund, kata kerja yang akhirnya ditambahkan ing, yang fungsinya berubah menjadi kata benda. Next, formal. This is the ways how you want to give an opinion in formal ways. Jadi ini beberapa ungkapan yang bisa kalian gunakan ketika kalian ingin memberikan pendapat secara formal. I personally believe, I personally consider, I personally think or feel, I hold the opinion, my own view of the matter is, well, personally, if I had my view, I would. Nah, setelah I would di sini harus diikuti dengan verb one. Kalau yang pertama, kedua, ketiga, keempat, nah, ini bisa kalian ikuti dengan new sentence, subject plus verb plus object. Nah, personally di sini, well, personally, I bla bla bla. Nah, ini juga harus diikuti dengan new sentence atau kalimat baru. Kalau ini, my own view of the matter is, nah kalian bisa, ini juga kalian bisa menambahkannya dengan kalimat baru. Use your own words. Next, informal. This is some expressions that you can use when you want to give an informal opinion. I think I like it. I don't think I care for it. I think it's good. I think it's nice. I think it's terrific. I think that awful, not nice or terrible. I don't think much of it. I think that blah blah blah. In my opinion, I would rather blah blah blah. In my case, what I'm more concerned with. Nah, ini juga ya bisa kalian tambahkan dengan subject plus verb plus object. Nah, kalau I would rather ini bisa kalian tambahkan kata kerja pertama. Well, this is some expressions that we can use for agreeing for an opinion. Yes, I agree with John, atau John di sini bisa kalian ganti dengan objective pronoun. Objective pronoun me, him, her, us, ya. Kemudian yes, I think that's a good point. I'll go along with that. Next, this is disagreeing with an opinion. Tidak menyetujui suatu pendapat. I'm sorry, but I can't agree with John. I think you may have missed the point. Sorry, I can't go along with that. Jadi kalian kalau misalnya tidak menyetujui pendapat, diawali dengan permohonan maaf. Well, this is the sample dialogue between Mr. Rashid, Waldan, Gibran, Tegar, and the other students. What's your opinion about the new English book? My opinion is such an expensive book. Very good. How about you, Gibran? Well, I think it's okay. I like that. It's not too thick and not expensive. Good. Anybody has another opinion? Yes, I have. My opinion is that book is too thick. Good. All your answers are correct. Do you understand, students? Yes, we got it, sir. Great. You're really smart. Thank you. Well, from this sample of dialogue, you can analyze which one asking and giving opinion. Well, you can see the red word. This is indicates asking opinion. What's your opinion? This is asking opinion. My opinion is giving opinion. How about you, Lisa? Well, this is asking opinion. I think is giving opinion. Anybody has another opinion? Well, this is asking opinion and my opinion is ini adalah memberikan pendapat.
I think that's all for our lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you. Have a nice day.